This is my property. Go. I know you did.
If I was over there, I could tell, but I'm right here though. I'm not bothering you. I'm just having a good little time, just minding my business. I don't have the problem. It's not me with the problem, buddy. I don't have the problem. I was out here with you. Huh? Because you're what? What do you say? Because you're what? What does that have to do with anything?
Because why can't you
I'm not on your property though. I'm not on your property.
why do you have to be here though?
No, I'm saying, why can't I be anywhere? I'm not bugging you. I'm not bothering you. I'm not hurting you. I'm not bothering you. Can you just go inside and mop the floor or something? Go do something. Leave me alone. I'm not bugging you. I'm just enjoying my day fishing, man. I don't have to work and sit down here and enjoy myself. I'm not bothering you. Ask who? I don't know you. Why would I ask? I don't know you. Did I have to ask all these people too? But listen. I don't know what you got going on inside your house. Hey, listen. Hey, I don't know what you have going on inside there, and I don't really care. But I'm out here minding my business. Go over there and mind your business. You're messing up my fishing game. So this is what you do. If you have a problem with me, call the cops and let them know I shouldn't be talking to you. Please go do that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, buddy. Leave the hell alone. Not bothering me.
Hey.
What's up, buddy?
Sorry about my mom.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Not a problem. It's okay, my bud. What's up, buddy?
I'm really sorry, but when are you leaving?
Leaving? What do you mean leaving? What do you mean leaving?
When are you leaving?
Why?
I'm sorry.
I'm not in your backyard though, buddy. I'm over here. Nah, I like fishing. I fish here every day. Check this out. If she needs to, tell her to call the cops and see if they'll move me. I'm on this side. I'm not on this side. You know what I'm saying? So you can do whatever you gotta do, buddy. I'm just fishing, man. I'm gonna be here until I feel like leaving. If you wanna call the cops, I'm not gonna do anything because I'm not on your property. I don't mean to be mean or argumentative. I'm just letting you know that I'm not bothering you guys. I'm just over here having a good time. I'm not bothering you. I don't know why I'm off of work, bro. I just want to fish a little bit. You know, I fish here every day. I'm here every day, dog. I don't know if you see me, but I'm here every day. I have a YouTube channel. Called Backyard Fishing with CEO Leo Kelly. I have thousands of views. Your mom's gonna be on YouTube, and you are too, because my camera is right there and it's picking up everything we're saying. You know those Karen videos that we have Karen? She's gonna be on the Karen video. So, you know, usually people don't bother me, especially when they see the camera out there, because everything is filmed. You know what I'm saying? So if you go to TikTok, or if you go to YouTube, you're gonna see yourself and your mom on a Karen video. You're gonna see that. You're gonna get millions of views. You're gonna be famous. All right? All right, buddy. Be good. Backyard fishing with CEO Leo Kelly. Go look me up. Huh? Go look me up, buddy.
Make sure to do it.
Huh? talk. Come over here. Come over here. I'll be gone for you. I promise. Have a great day. Y'all see this lady? I don't know what's wrong with her, but she's bugging me for no reason. That's Karen, bro. Look, I've been out here for a couple hours, haven't bothered anybody. And y'all see part 2. This is part 2, but I got part 1 where she's just bugging me for no reason. I'm just out here fishing. Karen, that's her name, Karen. I'm not even doing anything. She's just bugging me for no reason. And she cussing and carrying on. Here she go again, guys. I'm just out here fishing, not even on her property. And this lady is bugging me, man, for I don't know what's going on. But she's bugging me for no reason. I'm not even, her property is on that side over there. I'm on this side. I don't know. Look at her. She's just bugging me right now. She's talking. Yeah, so we're gonna make her famous, okay? That's Karen right there. Karen. We're gonna make her famous, guys. Here she goes. See, look, here she goes. That's Karen right there. That's Karen. If y'all want to know who that is, that's Karen right there, okay? So y'all gonna make her famous, guys. We're gonna make her famous. She's cursing and everything. If y'all know where she works at or live at, if y'all know where she works, tell her boss she's bugging me, she's cursing, she's being belligerent. So if you guys see this woman right here and you know where she work at or you know anybody that know her, y'all get on TikTok, get on YouTube, and y'all let them know she's being belligerent for no reason. Here she goes, like she can be in her house cooking, cleaning, or taking care of her son, but she out here bothering me. Her son even came out here and told me she was crazy. He said, don't worry about my mom, she's a psycho. Okay, just keep fishing. That's what he said. That's her son. For no reason. She's bugging me for no reason, guys. So you guys, please make her famous. I need her on YouTube, TikTok, every forum. Y'all need to make her famous, all right? Karen part 3. Probably, this would be the best video ever, man. The best Karen I've ever encountered. I think. Hey, she might be drunk. She might be drunk though. I don't know. She could be drunk, an alcoholic or something, because she's stumbling a little bit. I don't know. She's stumbling. She's stumbling. Look at her, guys. What's wrong with this woman? Can y'all see this lady? What in the? This lady is crazy. She cursing.
Why don't you do that?
Look at her cursing and everything, guys. Shooting birds. I hope y'all know who this woman is, because she way over there. I'm way over. I don't know why she messing with me at all. I just want to fish. Look how far I am away. I'm over here. She's over there, guys. What is going on?
Excuse me, sir.
Who?
Hey, I live there, and I understand you had some run-ins with my wife.
I didn't have run-ins with her at all. She's having run-ins with me.
I don't care where you fish, obviously.
Thank you, bro.
I saw you out here early.
I'm out here every day.
Right. I saw you out here early this week, and
For sure.
Only thing that concerns me is she said that you said she should go back to mopping. And
Go back to what?
mopping her
No,
floor.
no, no, no. I did not say that. I got it on camera. I say, I don't know why you out here bothering me. I'm not doing nothing. You need to go in the house and do something. Go do something. Just don't bother me. I didn't say nothing about nothing crazy. She started cursing and doing all this. I got it all on camera, so
Okay.
I film everything.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? So I didn't say nothing disrespectful. Even the kid came out and was like, hey man, I'm sorry. That maybe your son, I'm sorry man about my mom. Do your thing. How long are you gonna be out here? It's all on camera. I'm not bugging her. I don't know why it's a problem that I'm here.
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe she having a bad day. I don't know.
That's what I figured. I figured she was having a bad day.
I don't know why
It's,
she-
yeah, because I swear I'm not throwing it in your yard or nothing, bro. I do this every day, man. It's just relaxing for me.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
I got it.
So no disrespect to you, man, your kid, your wife, any of that. Yes, sir.